All right, if you were with us at noon, we were talking, Keith, about how far into the 90s we would get. We knew we'd at least be at around 90.
Right. My hunch was we weren't hot enough to be like 97 here, and we didn't get there, although Portsmouth got to 99.
Okay, so you didn't have to go far.
No.
We were right on the edge.
They've been hot lately.
Yeah.
Like I can't figure out, I was talking to Ryan about this, if their ASOS station is like a little bit warm or they're just catching the wind just right. Last couple of days.
Over and over
yeah.
again.
The difference between 93 and 99 is, I mean, it's hot either way, but
hot.
99 is really hot. Manchester, same deal. 91 in Rockland, that's a big number for them. And even Bar Harbor, 87. I mean, that's pretty warm for down east Maine. They have cooled significantly with onshore flow there. You'll see that in the current temperatures. Sitting at 91 in Portland, 97 in Kennebunk, still in the upper 90s over southern and western Maine, York County specifically. And although Bar Harbor didn't cool down yet, they're still at 87, so that's pretty good for them. Camden at 90, that's big around 445. These are spots that you don't think of being that hot, so we really did pretty well today along the coastline. Visible satellite looks good. We didn't have a ton of cloud cover, just briefly a couple of darker clouds down across Cumberland County, York County earlier today, and then after that we've thinned those out. So nice through the afternoon if you don't mind the heat. The humidity is there too. I don't think it's the headline though, as I mentioned before. I think it's more about the heat than the dew point in this particular instance. Tonight is mild, obviously temperatures in the 70s through the first half of the night, dropping down in the 60s by tomorrow morning, even some 50s into the mountains. And I think tomorrow turns out being a pretty hot day because it takes a while for this front to come through. Originally the models had it coming through kind of in the middle of the day, but now it takes most of the day to get through, which means we have a chance to push into the upper 80s, even some low 90s before that front starts developing thunderstorms. It'll do so kind of intermittently. It doesn't look like it's going to be a line of showers and storms, more like pop-up stuff along that front. Some of them could be strong to severe. We'll keep an eye on that through the afternoon into the early evening, say between noon and 6 or 7. Is our best chance of some of those stronger storms. Storm Prediction Center has put us in a low-end slight risk here. Again, in that time period, wind gusts would be the main thing because we've got a low-level jet kind of just above us, so we're able to tap into some of that with some stronger wind gusts. The front does move to the south on Wednesday night, but not super far. It's kind of sitting right here on Thursday, which means more clouds on Thursday. It's cooler. And Thursday night into early Friday, extreme southern Maine is going to see a chance for some showers, if not rain, down towards York County. But I think that is spatially a small part of the state that will see that rain. And then we're back to drying out on Friday with just a mixture of sun and clouds. All bottles clear us out in time for the weekend, which has looked good since mid last week. It's rare that you get one that kind of straightforward, but this will be a pretty easy one to forecast. Upper 70s on Saturday, low to mid 80s, and a summer classic on Sunday. Looks great there, and into next week, probably dry and through Wednesday of next week. So yeah, nice stretch of weather again. That Thursday night shower chance is really quite confined, but it was worth putting in there because it will be some part of the state.
Yeah, someone will get it.
Absolutely.
Yeah. We'll be ready. Keith, thank you.